The first question is: a body moving with uniform velocity has A. Constant acceleration. B. Zero acceleration. C. Increasing speed. D. Variable speed. Right answer: B. Zero acceleration. Second question is: the slope of a velocity time graph represents A. Distance. B. Speed. C. Acceleration. D. Displacement. Right answer: C. Acceleration. Third question is: the area under a velocity time graph gives A. Acceleration. B. Force. C. Displacement. D. Power. Right answer is answer C. Displacement. Fourth question is: which of the following is a vector quantity? A. Speed. B. Distance. C. Time. D. Velocity. Right answer: D. Velocity. Fifth question is: a car travels 20 meters east and then 15 meters west. What is its displacement? A. 35 meters east. B. 35 meters west. C. 5 meters east. D. 5 meters west. Right answer: C. 5 meters east. Sixth question is: if displacement is zero, the distance traveled. A. Must be zero. B. Can be non-zero. C. Is negative. D. Is constant. Right answer: B. Can be non-zero. Seventh question: the C unit of acceleration is A. ms. B. ms superscript 2. C. Kilometer h. D. N. Right answer: B. ms superscript 2. Ninth. Which graph represents uniform motion? A. Curved distance-time graph. B. Straight-line distance-time graph. C. Zigzag graph. D. Circular graph. Right answer: B. Straight-line distance-time graph. 10th question is: the velocity of an object moving with uniform acceleration changes by A. Equal amounts in equal intervals of time. B. Unequal amounts in equal intervals of time. C. Equal amounts in unequal intervals of time. D. Remains constant. White heavy checkmark answer A. Equal amounts in equal intervals of time. 12th question: ESA train starts from rest and accelerates at 2 ms superscript 2. Its velocity after 5 s is A. 5 meters per second. B. 10 meters per second. C. 15 meters per second. D. 20 meters per second. Right answer: B. 10 meters per second. 13 questions: ESA body moving with constant speed in a circle has A. Zero acceleration. B. Constant velocity. C. Centripetal acceleration. D. No force acting. Right answer: C. Centripetal acceleration. 14th question is: which quantity has magnitude only? A. Velocity. B. Acceleration. C. Force. D. Distance. Right answer: D. Distance. 15th question is: the motion of a freely falling body is A. Uniform motion. B. Uniformly accelerated motion. C. Retarded motion. D. Circular motion. White heavy checkmark answer B. Uniformly accelerated motion. 16th question is: the C unit of displacement is A. Meter. B. Second. C. Newton. D. Joule. Right answer: A. Meter. 17th question is: a particle is at rest when its A. Acceleration is zero only. B. Velocity is 0. C. Displacement is 0. D. Distance is 0. White heavy checkmark answer. B. Velocity is 0. 18th question is the speed of light in vacuum is approximately A. 3 times 10 ms. B. 3 times 10 ms. C. 3 times 10 superscript 1 ms. D. 3 times 10 ms. Right answer. B. 3 times 10 ms. 19th question is in projectile motion. The horizontal acceleration is A. J. B. 2g. C. 0. D. Variable. Right answer. C. 0. 20 question is the path followed by a projectile is A. Circle. B. Ellipse. C. Parabola. D. Straight line. Right answer. C. Parabola.